Hello everyone, Maori here. Today we're talking about this mouthwash, like stuff I've used for a little bit. Does it actually clean your mouth, or does it not? As we read here, like it says, it kills germs, and so it kills germs that can cause red resident plaque. It says it's cool mint and it's for antibacterial mouthwash. I don't care. I'm gonna keep rolling. I don't cut my videos because I don't have a video editor that doesn't have a watermark on. So we'll clean them off. Let's get into it. Have you ever wondered if it really cleans your mouth? It's a question that many ask, and the answer may surprise you. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the science behind mouthwash, the scenes, the science, all the all the ludicrous stuff, all really effective of cleaning your mouth. Mouthwash become a popular part of most people's daily oral hygiene routines. I'm really struggling today, but it's really effective in cleaning your mouth. But is it? Is it really? Firstly, it's important to understand there are many different types of mouthwash. There's this one, which is the bacterial one. There is, you get those what do you call it? You got like the cheap Chinese ones, which some of them work, some of them don't. You get the fully alcohol ones, which are bloody strong. Like even this though, sometimes even the cool mint, you give too much of it one go and you leave up your tongue, it burns after a while. I think that's a good thing. Anyway, it's important to understand there are different types of mouthwash available on the market. There's some that make your breath taste good, that smell good, and some of them actually kill the bacteria and make the breath smell good. Some just kill the bacteria on here. And all of them serve the same purpose. Some are formulated to freshen the breath, while others contain antiseptic agents that can kill bacteria and other microorganisms. Try to say that fast, microorganisms. These agents can prevent bad breath, tooth decay, and gum disease. It's also important, guys out there, it's important to note that using mouthwash should not be used for brushing and flossing. There are still most effective ways to remove plaque and prevent cavities and gum disease while using mouthwash with the results. So as I said, it's literally that. Let me tell you why I'm below. Let me say it again. It's also important to note that using mouthwash not be a substitute for brushing and flossing. They are the most effective ways to remove plaque and prevent cavities and gum disease. While using mouthwash, it's important to follow instructions on the label and use as directed. See Ricky Bannister. Is this Ricky Bannister? Nope. This is Listerine and it's Johnson Johnson. Pacific. There's Pacific Hour Johnson Johnson. I don't know why I would say Ricky Bannister, but Ricky Bannister, Johnson Johnson, SC Johnson, a family company, Nestle, even Unilever makes them. Because Unilever makes everything from sanitary products to street ice cream. Yeah. That being said, mouthwash can clean your mouth when used correctly. It can kill bacteria and other microorganisms. I can't say that fast. Like KSI trying to say Rolls Royce or onomatopoeia or like manufacturing. Prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Also helps to remove particles of food and debris that brushing and flossing may miss. So, is mouthwash really effective in cleaning your mouth? The answer is yes, but only if you use it properly. But it's not always a substitute for proper oral health hygiene. Hygiene. I like script my mouth to say that word because I really am struggling. Struggle. Yes. As I said, brushing and flossing are still the most important ways to maintain good oral health. Mouthwash can be used to supplement your oral hygiene routine, but it should not replace brushing and flossing. So, everybody, repeat after me. In conclusion, one mouthwash can clean your mouth. Not important. It's important to use it to supplement your brushing and flossing, not a substitute. As I learned the hard way. Look at my teeth. They are fucking horrible. They are not white at any chance. They stained yellow from coffee and energy drinks. But that's another story. Choose the right type of mouthwash for your needs and use it to rinse for best results. By maintaining good old hygiene habits and using mouthwash as part of your routine, you can help keep your teeth and gums healthy for years to come. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Was that fucking stupid? Holy shit, it was. Thank you guys for watching the Token Moldy. I'm number one. I am number one. Goodbye.